Welcome to our latest tutorial, where we'll guide you through the process of making your friends list public on Facebook. This is a great way to share your connections with others and enhance your social media presence. First, let's get started by opening the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines or the More option, depending on your device. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your Facebook account. Now, let's focus on adjusting your privacy settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Here, you'll find options related to how people can interact with you on Facebook. Tap on How people can find and contact you to access these settings. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Who can see your friends list? Tap on this to adjust who can view your friends. By default, this might be set to Friends or another setting, but we want to make it public. So choose Public from the available options. This will ensure that anyone can see your friends list, making it easier for others to connect with you and your network. Once you've selected Public, don't forget to save your changes. This will update your settings immediately, and your friends list will be visible to everyone on Facebook. Remember, you can always change this setting back if you decide you want more privacy in the future. Making your friends list public can be beneficial for networking and building a community on Facebook. It allows others to see who you're connected with and can help you grow your social circle. However, always consider your personal comfort level with sharing this information. That's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully made your friends list public on Facebook. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.